Hello my good people here, how are you doing? I hope you're good. Today we are cooking the traditional way or the village way. What do you think? So guys, imagine the kind of air we are having here. So fresh. So there we are cooking from outside, as you can see. I have our matooke boiling there. And then inside here, Mama, what are you cooking?
I'm preparing some beef.
I'm
preparing lunch.
So you're having lunch from this place?
Yeah, so this is the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is in there? You put cooking oil?
Not yet. This is the masab.
The fat?
Masab
Yeah, they've chopped the tomatoes.
So these are tomatoes, these are carrots, these are onions,
Green
these are
pepper.
green peppers, and then these are spring onions.
Okay.
Yeah, we also have some mangoes.
Okay.
As you see, we're going to enjoy some food. There's some fruits, make our skins let them
Light
glow.
up.
Yeah. We're going to blow up.
Okay.
Yeah. This one just someone had the soda. Yeah. So you see, today is a party day.
Housewarming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my sister here is cooking, as you can see.
Burning. Burning.
Please don't burn, because our appetite is in heaven.
Yeah. This is on the fire.
And
Yeah.
our manager is here busy sorting rice. Mama, all your cha. Okobachi. Azira chokoba. Oli kukolachi. Oli londa mayinja. Mabali. So she's sorting rice that we are going to cook. So we have rice, matooke, beef, greens.
These are yeah.
These are greens.
These are greens. To help you like to add up your the blood. Yeah, this will help you to. No scientists say that. Yeah, because this thing is. You see the soup. No, the soup is not much. It's just like bloody. Yeah, this will. It's so nutritious.
Very.
Our bodies.
Okay. So this the greens that we are cooking actually here, when before they are cooked, this is how they look like.
Yeah, in this sack here.
What do we have here? Nakati.
Yeah, these are nakati.
How do they call it even in English? I've forgotten the name.
These are nakati. Yeah, nakati are called nakati in English. Nakati, not the other Greek language. There's some Greek language. These are we have some spring onions here inside. We have some.
Let me show them the spring onions.
Spring onions, so they are fatty because we use this ground soil. They are fatty.
By the way, these are from the garden.
Yeah,
they are not even from the market.
From the garden to the saucepan.
Garden straight.
Straight to the saucepan.
There's a lot actually in this
lots
sack.
of things are here. We have some cassava inside.
We have cassava.
Cassava from the garden to the saucepan. It's
straight.
Very fat.
I wish we could get. There's this one here.
Very fat.
Oh boy.
By the way, this thing, this thing here, if you need them, you can. They are for.
Oh, but we
for
sell. Yeah.
Nakati, just because the garden is somewhere the other side, would have shown you guys.
Yeah. Next time we'll go to the real garden.
If you need like nakati, you need spring onions, you can contact us.
Please, write down below. And if you're within Kampala, we do sell them very, very cheaply, affordably. Okay? Tatu Seda. I'm trying struggling to get some cassava. Okay, let me just get a sample of this. This is just a sample. There's a lot here.
A lot is there, 40 ones there.
Yeah, so they're still in the sack because we are going to carry them back home.
Also, you can sell them to
Akabera kazaki? Nkakutte. I'm speaking some soda here. So inside here there is cassava and all that, so we are going to take them back home. So we basically came to do, yeah, a housewarming. I know some of you do housewarming after everything is done. For us, we are doing it our own way.
I think I could interview the owner of the things.
Oh, by the way, but you know, it would be good if we go to the garden.
Yeah, but you come and tell us whatever the view.
Yeah.
The view of it.
Oh, okay. So guys, the owner of the garden.
Yeah, the owner of the, yeah.
He actually says he has a big garden, a very huge garden where he does a lot of farming, the greens, the cassava, name it, spring onions, carrots. So basically whatever we are doing here is organic cooking, organic foods. You understand? So like the video, please. Exactly. Guys, like, share, comment. My good people, my God, did I even welcome you? Please welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're returning, asante sana. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. So guys, I actually, man, at this point there's so many parts that the camera person thought was recording, but then only to check afterwards we missed out so many things, so we didn't capture some things, but regardless we moved. So at this point our cassava and Matooke was ready, and at this point I was actually removing the cassava which was ready for eating. You know, it was just I put it on top so it got ready. So it was actually cooked by the steam that was coming out from, you get what I'm saying. So anyway, so I had to separate the cassava from the Matooke because I wanted to mash the Matooke. And this time around I cooked this Matooke I like calling it the city way or the Kampala way or the emergency way, because we didn't do the banana leaves, you know, the traditional way of doing things, because it was already late. We were so hungry, we came really late, so we had to cook things chap. So I just had to use a mingling stick to mash. Yes, so at this point that's my sister-in-law and her little son, who is my nephew. Yeah, he was hungry. So anyways, our rice was almost getting ready. Actually it was ready, but it was just, you know, that last water to dry out. Yes, so at this point I had to remove the water which was remaining, that small last water. Yes, so that I can actually mash. So as you can see, our team was just there. Besides there, we had invited some other people around. Yes, so, you know, everyone was hungry, so we had to, you know, do these things faster so that people can eat. So at this point, as you can see, I was going to mash the Matooke using the small mingling stick that we managed to get. You know, if you've been at a site, you know these things. Anything around you has to be used. It has, you know, you always give a roll to anything that is next to you. So at this point, oh boy, we were mashing the Matooke. As you can see, very yellow. When the Matooke is like that, that means it's mature. Like, you see that color? It's usually a sign of maturity. It's ready to be eaten. So just imagine if this was in banana leaves, it would have been something else. Oh my God, you should test this. But at this point, we were just, you know, finishing up the last things and then serve. Yes, kindly like the video if you've watched till this end. Kindly like the video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe. We're on the road to 5K. Yes, kindly subscribe, share, comment, share to a sister, brother, friend, you know. Yes, take me to 5K. I thank you so much. So anyways, I had to make sure every bit of this Matooke is mashed. So that's why you see me turning it in, out, mashing in. You know, we had to make sure that every piece of Matooke is touched. if that's the right word to use. I had to mash everything such that, you know, when you're eating, everything is smooth, you know. The whole matooke has to be smooth, not that every other parts are, you know, hard to bite or whatever. Yeah, so that's how it turned out, as you can see there. Yes, I was just, you know, and meanwhile I had to do it on the fireplace so that it remains hot. That's why you see I was doing it on the how they call them, on the God, the firestones, how they call them. Anyway, let's use fireplace. I mean, English has disappeared. So anyway, so I just wanted to do it right there so that it stays warm, not just warm but hot. You know, matooke is nice, or it's yummy when it's served hot. You get? Yes. So, and you know, we're going to eat beef, so it had to be hot. You know, matooke is just nice and more yummy when it's hot and, you know, steaming. Yes, can enjoy the video. Meanwhile, please comment down below. I've been asking you guys to tell me which kind of videos you want me to be, you know, bringing out, so that, you know, I don't want to leave out anyone. So let's comment down. I know I have so many ideas in my head, but I also want to hear from your side. Anyway, that's our rice. Yes, as you can see, it has some carrots, and I also put the spring onions. Yeah, they bring in that aroma and the taste. You get? Yes. So I usually don't like the plain rice. I don't like it when it's plain. And the other thing is, I'm not really a fan of rice. I'm a matooke person. For anyone who has been around me or who knows me, me and matooke, yo. So at this point, we had served and people were enjoying. Everyone was hungry and no one was saying a word. They were just feeling the food. It was yummy. Thank you all for watching. Bye. See you in another one.